Mastering the art of cue ball control in billiards. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of billiards: cue ball control. This concept is not just about hitting the ball but doing so with precision and strategy. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your game, understanding cue ball control is key to becoming a better player. Let's get started. Cue ball control refers to the player's ability to precisely position the cue ball after each shot. This skill is crucial in games like pool or snooker, where strategy and positioning play a major role. Good cue ball control allows a player to set up for the next shot more easily, avoid fouls by preventing the cue ball from going into pockets or hitting the wrong balls, create difficult situations for the opponent. It's not just about power, it's about precision, angle, and spin. To control the cue ball, you need to understand how it moves. This involves the point of contact on the cue ball, hitting the ball in different spots: center, top, bottom, left, right, affects its direction and spin. The force of the stroke: the harder you hit, the further the ball travels. The angle of the shot: this determines the initial direction of the cue ball. Experimenting with these factors helps in mastering cue ball control. Once you grasp the basics, you can explore advanced techniques like draw shot, striking the ball low to make it spin backward after hitting the target ball; follow shot, hitting the cue ball above center to make it spin forward; English, applying side spin by hitting the ball on its left or right side, affecting the direction after hitting the cushions. These techniques require practice but are vital for superior control. To improve your cue ball control, regular practice is essential. Here are some drills. 1. Stop shot. Aim to stop the cue ball dead after it hits the target ball. 2. Positioning drill. Set a target spot and try to get the cue ball to land there after a shot. 3. Cushion control. Practice getting the cue ball to bounce off cushions and land in specific areas. Remember, consistent practice leads to improvement. Cue ball control is an art that takes time and practice to master. By understanding the basics and practicing regularly, you can significantly improve your billiards game. We hope this video has been informative and helps you on your journey to becoming a cue ball control expert. Happy playing!